Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be comparing the antutu benchmark comparison between the Realme X7 Pro versus the Realme 7 5G device. So, which is also called as the Realme Q2 as well. The Realme X7 Pro uses the Dimensity 1000 plus processor, and whereas this Realme 7 5G or the Q2, which uses the Dimensity 800U processor. So let's see friends, what will be the antutu benchmark score difference between this both of the smartphones in terms of the different Dimensity processors. So as you can clearly see, Dimensity 800 and Dimensity 1000 plus processor. So I'm using this Realme X1 Pro Dimensity 1000 Plus processor for more than 1 month, and I've already uploaded close to 90 videos. So same thing I'll be doing with the Realme Q2 with the Realme 7 5G as well. I'll be uploading so many videos in the next couple of days, and make sure to follow me regularly, and also to check the playlist for more videos. You can find so many amazing videos which I'll be uploading on this Realme Q2 or the Realme 7 5G device. So let's continue with this antutu benchmark comparison between both of the smartphones. And one thing is that I did the antutu benchmark comparison, antutu benchmark test using the performance mode. So there's in the battery, if you go to this performance mode, there's an option of selecting the high performance mode. So at the time of I am testing the antutu benchmark score, I have selected the high performance mode in both the smartphones. So the results will be very good if you're using that kind of high performance mode. So let me quickly show you the antutu benchmark test. And in case if you want to download this kind of live wallpaper, as you can see among us, so try to check the links in description. You will find this kind of interesting wallpaper application. So don't forget to check the links for the playlist of wallpapers. If you click the playlist, that will take you to this video. So right now you can see, friends, the score is a difference of 2 lakhs difference is there exactly if you compare both phones side by side, as you can see here. So this is a quick comparison between the 2 lakhs difference between Dimensity 800U versus the Dimensity 1000 Plus. And in terms of the CPU difference, there is 60,000 difference, and GPU difference, there is more than, I think, 1 lakh difference is there in terms of the GPU. So you can definitely see how much improvement is there in the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor. And this Realme 7 5G or Q2 device gonna be launching with the mid-range segment category in India. So it may not be a competition, but I just want to compare the Dimensity 800U versus Dimensity 1000 Plus. How will this kind of processors are holding in both the smartphones? So just for the comparison's sake, I did this kind of video only, not just for comparing both the phones, only for the comparing the MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus versus the 800U. And this is a quick antutu benchmark comparison between both of the smartphones, and as you can see, 2 lakhs difference is there. And I think this is very new for me to use this Dimensity processors. And in case if you are having any other doubts, do comment below. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.